Let us now focus our attention on the job analysis interview. With job analysis interviews, data is collected from incumbents or supervisors by a trained analyst asking questions about the duties and responsibilities, KSAs required, and equipment and/or conditions of employment for a job or class of jobs. The purpose of the job analysis interview is to collect job information on the job task that will serve as a basis for developing other job analysis measures, such as a job analysis questionnaire. To serve as a means of clarifying or verifying information collected previously through other job analysis methods. To serve as a method, perhaps as one of several used for collecting relevant job data for developing a selection system. Position Analysis Questionnaire, or PAQ, is a leading off-the-shelf or prefabricated measures of jobs that can be used for many jobs. It focuses on generalized worker behaviors, describing how a job is done, work-oriented, and contains 195 items or elements concerning mainly what work activities or compensation issues. The purpose of the PAQ is to predict aptitude requirements for the job, evaluate jobs and setting compensation rates, and classifying jobs. PAQ has certain advantages and disadvantages. Its advantages is that it provides a standard means for job data collection. It provides reliable and valid job data. It provides estimations of work requirements, and it has extensive reliability and validity data in support of its use. The disadvantages are: it requires college-level reading skills, scores work behaviors, not specific job tasks, and it does not provide a job description. Here is a list of other ways one can collect job-related information. Can you think of other ways of collecting job information? Here are other job analysis techniques we can discuss. The purpose of the critical incident technique is to generate a work-oriented list of observed good and poor job performance behaviors of job incidents to be grouped into job dimensions. Critical incident characteristics focuses on a specific or single observable behavior that has been or could be exhibited on the job, briefly describes the context in which the behavior occurred, and indicates the consequences of the behavior. The Fleischmann Job Analysis Survey is to help identify worker specifications for a job dimensions or tasks. It is a work-oriented approach to be applied once job duties have been identified. Fleischmann's survey consists of behaviorally anchored rating scales for 52 abilities. Each of the abilities is classified into one of 4 general ability categories: cognitive, psychomotor, physical, and sensory perceptual. Functional job analysis is a system for accurately defining through the development of task statements and measuring workers' job activities through ratings by subject matter experts based on what a worker does. All jobs require workers to deal with people, clients, customers, co-workers, etc. Data, which is information or ideas, and things, which are machines or equipment, and how a task is performed. The task a worker performs in relation to people, data, and things can be empirically measured by rating scales. With the job element method, a worker-oriented process designed to directly identify the characteristics of superior workers' job elements that should be assessed by selection measures. Application: selecting a panel of raters, developing job elements in sub-elements, rating job elements in sub-elements, analyzing JEM data, and amplifying the sub-element definitions. This is the end of this presentation. Thank you for listening.